Got him. I don't know if you can see it right here. I'm off the kayak. Oh, good little perch. Me and my dad, we are having a most fish competition, and we're gonna fish 2 ponds. Just a good little perch started off, setting them free. Ah, missed him.
There, I'm on the board, Carter. Pretty nice sized perch. Carter told me I wouldn't catch anything with this lure, but so far it's 1-to-1 in our little friendly competition for a quarter.
Just got one right here. Another good sized one. Oh. We're probably gonna release every single one that we catch. But just a good little one right there. That was a really good one that just swam by. Nothing. One more cast over there and I made such holes.
A little bit smaller perch that time. 2-to-2.
Okay, so we just caught 2, and I know the secret spot for this next pond to like absolutely slay him. Last time I fished there, I got like 20. It was just insane. So hopefully they'll be the same, and let's go catch them. I'm fixing to catch. I'm fixing to untie it right here. Oh!
Help me out.
Just a second.
Nope.
Hey.
That should be mine.
He tried to cheat and throw mine off with the...
That should be mine.
And why?
Well, because I hadn't even gotten the water yet.
You are in the water.
All right. Carter made me get the kayak.
And I'm pretty sure my lure just got tied around about 50 times. Oh, no, I got that undone. Time to slam. Got him. Good one. Oh, small one. Thought that was better.
Oh, I wish you would have got him in. Oh, you did get one in.
Yep, there you go. So this is right where I was catching him last time. Oh, got him. Biggest one of the day by far. And look at that guy, he's tiny. Yep. What?
Drop your pole in the water. Leave it in there for about 30 minutes.
No.
No fair.
Oh, good one, good one. Oh, it's a tiny one. Well, not tiny, but this one's pregnant. Hey, we had a deal that you can. We had a deal that you could not steal my spot.
I'm not stealing it.
Yes, you are.
I'm in the lake, buddy.
I had a deal that you couldn't go close to me.
He's acting like a Karen right now.
Dad, I don't think you know what a Karen is.
I can't get too close to him, but he can get too close to me.
I was over here first.
Hey, Karen, I'm casting in your spot.
You don't know what a Karen is, Dad. Got a good one right here. Oh, yeah. Wow, that is a tank. That's one of my best ever. He's as big as my hand. I have good sized hands too. Just casting right back there and fixing to catch one. No way I don't. Yeah. I set the hook too hard. It's a little sad. Yeah. Oh, good one, good one. Really good one. Oh, he came off. I think I'm at 8 right now. Down, am I at 7 or 8?
I think you're at 3 or 4. I'm not sure.
He's a cheater.
I can't remember.
Fixing to get one right here. Come on, take it. Oh, right there. I think that's 9 right there. Another one right here. I makes 10. Dad, how many are you at?
In this pond,
Yep.
I don't remember if I caught any.
Dad's still stuck at 2.
Hey, finally, I got one. It ought to count for 3 or 4. As many as I've had to watch Carter catch while I was still trying to get my first on this pond. So I'm at 3, Carter's hollering, he's at 11.
I got one on and my reel needs tightened. All right, there, I got it. This makes 12. I ain't telling you. This fish knows he wants it. Pulled it right out.
I need a dark colored worm to put on my jig head.
Why can't you use yours?
I'm not going back to the truck to get one. I've only got the one with me.
Okay. I don't have.
Let me take my fish.
No. Here you go.
Thank you.
Now get out of my fishing area.
I'm trying not to even get in. Sadly, it's 3 to 12. I'm way behind.
You notice how I went around you?
Way behind, getting some little hits. I just think my jig head's too big. Oh! There, I got a hold of one. Oh, and a fish followed him in too. That's good. That's a nice big old fat perch. Nice big old fat perch. So it's now 4 to 12.
So now 4 to 12. My dad just caught one. Oh, there, I got him. Now it's 5 to 13. Dad just got one. Now 4 to 12. My dad just caught one. There, I got him.
Oh, I got another one on. 5. Looks like Carter's got one too, though.
Dad just got one.
So it is now 5 to 13. That looks like almost the same fish I just had. If I could catch him 8 more times real quick, I'd be caught up.
Oh, that was a big fish, whatever it was. Whatever that fish was, I just had a hit. It was huge.
All right, got another one hooked. Stay on there, little guy. Catching up, catching up. All right, 6 to 13.
Looks like it's 6 to 13 now. Oh, good one, good one. Oh, that's a toad. 14 to 6 now. Oh no. What in the fish? What in the world? Got him.
That one shouldn't count because I was already done.
You still had your lure in the water. My dad likes to try and cheat because I'm too good. Dad, you should see how this one's hooked.
Not cheating. Just trying to be fair.
Look how that guy is hooked.
Trying to make it fair. That's a snag. That doesn't count.
That was not a snag. We're out here at the next pond. It's really low right now, so hopefully we can get into them.
There had been some really good largemouth in this pond, but as you can see, it's at least 4 foot low right now. Probably more like 5 foot, or maybe even better than that at times. Hadn't been running any water in it, and the others that we fished, there's water running in them right now, so keeping them pretty close to full in this dog days of summer in the heat.
We just got done at this third pond. It was pretty much to where the fish won't bite, as shallow as it is. But leave a like and subscribe, and I won. And we get 25, and he has to pay me 25 cents per fish that I caught.
Per fish?
That's what we decided earlier.
The whole bet was a 25-cent bet.
No, you said earlier that it was per fish.
Well, I can't wait till next time then.